Katnat puli puthi ka meglaya kala Thmu banbo sa Sanhajar Tylli ki smart classroom haki school hakaleng ka jilla. Ya kani ka jing terwa lapha syak ka Sorkar pedeng bat ka Sorkar jilla menta kadang up ya ka jing benjur jong ka Sorkar pedeng. Ladap ban pentri kam ya ka smart classrooms habun Tylli ki school bat ka Sorkar kalayo I bakani ka long ka sinjam ka badon kam ban penthama ya ka rukom ai jing hikai. Nalor kani ke jela ka Thmu ban pinmi iki kot puli ki balak ban scan yu QR code nado ki class 10 hado 12. Kamtam iki subject kum science, mathematics, about social science nado kani kas number 1.
Yes, definitely. So we have proposed and we have already introduced some of the smart classes in some of the institutions schools, and we will go furthermore now, and we propose to Government of India also to have another 5,000. So I think that we have proposed for the Tribal Affairs Department, Minority and the Tribal Affairs to have 5,000 classroom in the state. So we are awaiting the government sanction for all this, and the every textbook, especially from class 9 to class 12, the science, the mathematics, and the social science now will have a textbook containing a QR code. They will be having a video teaching of every topics, and after the video teaching of every topic, there will be exercise. All these exercises are solved by mathematics, especially has been solved through video.
KHASI students